everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars. I've got a truck to show you today. This is a 2017 Ford F-450 dually. It's a sweet truck, just got done driving it down the road. I can see how people really like this truck. Now this is a Platinum, which is going to be the top tier for the F-450, so it's going to have a lot of features on it. I'll get to those when we get to them here in the truck and show you each and every one of those. Also, I'm going to be reviewing the truck. Drove it down the road. I didn't notice any issues in drivability. Brakes felt really good. Just a really comfortable truck to drive. I can see if you're going to put a lot of miles on a truck, be on the road a lot, this is definitely a nice truck to do it in. So with that being said, I'm going to start the review here. So front windshield up here looks good. I didn't notice any major cracks or anything like that in it. The paint job is a pearl coat paint job, which is a 3-stage paint process, and it allows that little bit of a hue to the paint. So it's a white pearl paint. I believe they call it a white titanium on this, but it really looks good in the sun. It does have what I call the cow pusher bumper up here. Nice big steel bumper. Yeah, protects the whole front end of this pickup truck here. I did check the date on the tires. I found on some of the rear tires they said 2019, so I imagine they're all going to be the same. Has polished aluminum forged wheels here. You got your locking hubs inside the wheel there. As you can see, you can either do auto or lock it in. And plenty of tread left on these tires. Kind of get in the inner workings here. This truck got traded in. Actually, the customer was from Texas. They bought a conversion van off of us. So this has got the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. It's the crew cab, 8-foot long foot bed, which is the only way this comes in. This is the FX4 as well, which is going to be your 4-wheel drive, more of an off-road package here. So on the keyless entry, we got lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. So as I open up the door, the running board comes out here. Nice power running board. As we get inside, of course, we're going to have leather seats, premium leather seats, platinum badging. You're going to have your WeatherTech matting down here as well. These seats do fold up for extra storage. Inside cargo space has heated seats on the perimeter back here. And I don't know if you can see the cutout in the ceiling here, but this has got a huge skylight. I'll show you that when we get in the driver's compartment. I don't notice any major body issues anywhere. If I do see something, I'll point it out. There's a couple little scratches here and there, but nothing major. Again, your dual rear wheels here. Looks like it's got your BMW. I believe probably a Gooseball. We'll check that once we look at the bed here in just a second. There's your FX4 badging. These trucks are really hard to come by. You got your blind spot radar. It says built right in there. That's nice on a bigger truck like this. Again, this is going to be the Platinum, which is the top trim level for this pickup truck. Has your rear parking sensors in here. Got a giant hitch on the back here. And has factory wiring. Does have your brake controller that's going to hook into the 7-pin wiring I'm showing you here. And then also has your 4-pin there. Now let's try this tailgate release. Got the nice dampening tailgate, slow release, down it goes. Okay, in here, looks like it's prepped for a hitch there. And it probably has that BMW turnover bolt in the center there. As I saw that BMW hitch down there. Spray and bed liner. Also has the toolbox up there as well. Got your 7-pin wiring here if you're going to haul the 5th wheel or gooseneck there. You can do that. And then it's got your access roll-up tonneau cover. Again, this is an 8-foot bed. It's got kind of a multi-function tailgate here too. With these, this comes out somehow and flips up. I don't think I can do it with one hand. I apologize. So, but it does have that tailgate. If you're looking for it, it's got it. Got your backup monitor in there. Fuel fill here on the driver's side. I know a lot of you appreciate that. Your DEF fluid is in there as well. That's the blue nozzle. I always like to mention financing is available on this vehicle. I'll post a link below where you can get pre-approved right from your device you're watching this on, so you don't have to come in the store to do that. I'll show here in the mirror, it does have the blind spot monitoring built right into the mirror. And got the concave mirror down below. All right, let's get into some of the features inside here. It's a super nice truck. Love the leather. It's like a deep maroon leather. Full power seat, 4-way power lumbar. Got your WeatherTech matting down there. Platinum badging right there. As we get into here, you got your tailgate release. You've got your pedals. I don't know if you can tell here. The pedals do move down there. And then here we've got your automatic headlights. And on the door itself, so let's see here. It's got the tow mirror. See how there's power going out and power going in? And then we have your regular mirrors here, and they also fold in. So these mirrors really do a lot, and all that seems to work. And then of course your regular mirror controls, power windows on all 4, power locks, and then also it has your heated, or not heated seats, memory seats I should say. Mirrors here. Got your mirror control there. It's a little light, I believe, on the mirror you turn on and off here. There's a lot on these trucks, so if I miss something, I apologize. I don't get to do a F450 review every day. It's got 79,403 miles on it, not a single warning light anywhere to be seen there. On the steering wheel here, you have your center cluster control here on the left. This is a digital cluster in the center part of the cluster. And then here you have cruise control on the left thumb as well. And then you have hands-free connectivity on your right thumb. And then audio, volume, tuning, and then mode for your radio right there. Now the radio is a touchscreen radio. It's the nicest one that Ford would have produced for the year. It's going to have your AM, FM, Sirius, CD player, Bluetooth capability. So those are all your audio devices there. It does have dual climate zones. Jumping over here, you have phone connectivity. It does have factory navigation. Now I did check this out before I started the video. I'm going to plug my phone in. It does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I just plug my phone in. This is going to automatically pop up. And it says unlock your phone, Mike. So let me unlock my phone to get it started. And okay, so if you never use this, this is Apple CarPlay. You can get into your navigation, you can get into podcasts, you can make calls, text messaging, that kind of stuff, all from there. It's hands-free, connects to your phone. What I like about it is always up to date, particularly the navigation. I can pull up my podcast, listen to them while I'm driving. Another part that I like about it is if someone calls me, it just automatically transfers over to the audio system on the car. 4-wheel drive selectors here, tuning and radio control, and then heating and air conditioning buttons and knobs. Now this truck is equipped with your air conditioned seats and heated seats up front here. Those are really nice and all times of the year to have that. This is your electronic brake controller. So this truck's meant to tow. Chances are you're going to be towing something with electric brakes. This is going to allow those electric brakes to work. You don't have to have a secondary unit down here that you bang with your knee. So it looks like 400 watt, 110 volt power outlet, and then your normal 12 volt power outlet. A couple glove compartments here. I did pull up the history report. It shows really good. Only 3 previous owners. Let's see here. Never been in an accident. There's 8 pages of this. We've actually posted these on our website, so make sure you check that out. It's called the AutoCheck. Just click on that link when you see it. Also, got your power window back there. See that opening and closing. And then you have 6 auxiliary spots here if you want to add lights, things like that to the outside. You've got plugins right there. And then here we have your garage door control. And then finally, find the right button. Check it out. It's got your giant sunroof. Look how it goes all the way over the rear passenger. It's almost like driving a convertible. And then it's going to open up front in the front part here. So sweet, sweet truck. If you think this will work for you, if you're ready to see the country, tow something big around and doing it, this is a cool one. Hard to find, really good condition. You can tell the last person definitely took care of it. And come from Texas too, so it's been out of the salt, things of that sort. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great remainder of your day. Do something special, put a smile on someone's face.